Welcome to Advanced Database Management System. In this section, we discuss about database type and various kind of database. What is a database and nature of database? Key characteristics of databases, database security and scalability. Let's enjoy. A database is an organized collection of data, typically stored and accessed electronically from a computer system. It's designed to efficiently manage, store, retrieve, and manipulate data according to various requirements and functionalities. Databases are essential components of modern information systems and are used across various industries and applications, including business, finance, healthcare, education, government, and more. They serve as repositories for structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data, allowing users and applications to store, retrieve, and manipulate data as needed. Key characteristics of databases include structured data. Databases organize data in a structured format, usually using tables, rows, and columns. This structure facilitates efficient storage, retrieval, and manipulation of data. Data integrity. Databases enforce data integrity rules to ensure the accuracy, consistency, and reliability of data. This includes enforcing constraints such as primary keys, foreign keys, and data types. Querying and retrieval. Databases provide query languages, example SQL for relational databases, or APIs, that allow users and applications to retrieve and manipulate data stored in the database. Concurrency control. Databases support concurrent access to data by multiple users or applications while ensuring data consistency and integrity through mechanisms such as transactions and locking. Security. Databases implement security measures to protect data from unauthorized access, ensuring confidentiality, integrity, and availability. This includes user authentication, authorization, and encryption. Scalability. Databases are designed to scale to accommodate growing amounts of data and increasing numbers of users or transactions. Backup and recovery. Databases offer features for data backup and recovery to prevent data loss due to hardware failure, human error, or other unforeseen circumstances. This includes regular backups, point-in-time recovery. There are different types of databases, including relational databases, organize data into tables with predefined schemas and use structured query language, SQL, for querying and manipulation. Examples include PostgreSQL, MySQL, Oracle Database, and Microsoft SQL Server. NoSQL databases, designed for handling large volumes of unstructured or semi-structured data and provide flexible schemas. Examples include MongoDB, Cassandra, Redis, and Apache HBase. NewSQL databases combine elements of traditional relational databases with features for scalability and performance. Examples include Google Spanner and CockroachDB. Thanks for watching the Advanced Database Management System lesson. Hope you enjoy the lesson. To learn more about Database Management System, please check the next lesson. Never stop learning. Thanks once again to enjoy the lesson.